I'll be a consistent parader with you as my disguise. Hey, relentless lover, you're something descriptive, words couldn't describe. And you're all that matters to me. I'd rather have you than silver or gold. I watch your blessings unfold to me. I love just how you let it show. Falala, 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 Mojola Jesu, falala, falala, falala. Falala, 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 Mojola Jesu, falala, falala, falala. Oh, 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 oh.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's popping? Yeah, so today I have this beautiful look for you guys. It's a different bridal look. It's not every day calm and collected. Sometimes a pop of green inside. Okay, so let's do this. I went ahead to prime, moisturize, obviously do my Dior, and then I applied a whatever, what's the name of this thing, highlighter and foundation, blah blah blah. You guys know the drill. I went in with a brush for a foundation because I wanted a freckles to still show, but then at the end of the day it didn't show because I went in with the coverage. Yeah, okay. So concealing, highlighting, contouring, you guys know the drill. I'm going to come in later. So when it comes to contouring, the trick is to start lightly. Don't go in with one black thing and then be blending. Start with a color at least 2 shades lighter. Then if you feel like it's not darker enough, you can go over it with powder. If you start too dark, the person is going to look very blotchy, like as if you slap the person and the person has black face, and then it's not going to blend. So start lightly. If you're going, especially if you're going in with liquid, then powder over it. So you can go a bit lighter with liquid, and then you can intensify it with powder. Please, no black face, no black nose.
Press down, I'll be your key to release a noble sound, make melody. If you're pleased, just give me a chance to show you that I'm serious. And I'll take your hand, I'll make noise to draw the curious. Show them you're here with us, yeah. Used by you, cannot be used by you. Just an instrument, Lord. Yeah, I'll be your instrument, play me. Whoa, used by you. Whatever you want me to do, I'm your instrument, Lord. Whoa, instrument, play me. I don't have to worry, 'cause it's working for me. It's working for me, yeah. It's working for me. Oh, I don't have to worry, 'cause it's working for me.
So for eyes, I went in on her lids. I went in really lightly. I don't want it to look any bang bang. I didn't really know what I was going for, to be honest. I just started lightly. Start with a mild color first. I knew it has to be bridal, and then at some point I just said, I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna add neon color, and I did it. So yeah, that's what happened there. And for the smoky, okay, let me explain. This liner, what I did was, after I drew it with gel, I now went back in with black eyeshadow and smudged it out. I didn't want a precise liner. I wanted it to look semi-smoky, like the liner was scattered. I don't know if you guys understand me. Like I just scattered it, like I smudged it out. so now it didn't look as precise as it was if you just drew normal line, so I scattered it basically. So for the lower lash line, I went in with my P. Louise base so that the neon color would find something to stick to. So after I went in with that, you can use concealer, and then I now went in with the neon color. I mixed 2 shades of green, lime and lemon. So yeah, and you can see that it's falling down, but then it still did not stain her eyes. I really bad. Okay, yeah, abracadabra, her hair is done. I'm going to leave the link to everybody. You guys look at that mad robe. You'll see it more in the outro. The robe, the hair, the nails, the jewelries. Fam, my team came through. Yes. So for our lips, I kept it in a flesh toned cute bridal color. So I went in with a matte pink or semi matte, and then I went in with gloss over the pink just to, you know, make it cuter and nicer. Yeah. This is the final look. I'm just intensifying a highlight here and there. Let me know if you guys love this look and what you think. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe. I love you guys. Yeah, kisses.
I saw a shiny light. I know you rescued me. Yes, you paid my price. When you died and rose again, one thing I'm sure of is, 'cause I'm delicious. I've made mistakes and I know, but your love doesn't fade. I was lost and you found me in the teak of my stones. You brought me out and you wrapped me in your strong arms, so tight. Leave my life in all of you. Now inside of you I did. 'Cause my life belongs to you. Let the blessings follow those who will believe. Oh, yeah, yeah. Now because I believe. Oh. Often I wonder why you love me so. Many times I sit down and think, yeah, which kind of love is this, yo? Emi eniyan lásán, let's share it over you phone. I will walk the walk of feet that sends me while it's day. It's gonna lead me to the desert storm, and I won't fear. Walk with me, hold me close through the merry clay. Oh, 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 Jehovah Shammah, leave my life in all of you. Now inside of you I did. 'Cause my life belongs to you. Let the blessings follow those who will believe. Oh, yeah, yeah. Now because I believe. Oh, better days are coming my way today. 'Cause everything you've done has brought me to this point. So I bring my praise to you, oh, oh God. nobody, everything nice and good. It's not my fault.